Isokowado, greetings to you everybody. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. For this my video, I get some questions when I want ask. In the other hand, na to learn. No, sometimes I dey bring different things when we take dey learn. E no mean say na me sabi pass, but I no just want make my language lost. Isoko. That's why you see say anytime all my content, all my doings, they are just Isoko. No be say I no fit do English, but no vex, I no go school, I no sabi English, somehow I no go disgrace myself for social media. So I love to use my Isoko. Most important thing, because I no want make my language lost, because I dey say my language is lost. So quickly, let's move straight to the business of the day. These things when I want ask, so maybe you fit know them, or you no know them, or you know them before, or maybe based on say you know the frequency they use the word, you can't dey forget, or you don't even know them at all. So now, if you go place, maybe like interview, or you dey among your friends, or some kind things, or anything, you can come across these questions anytime, any day. If you even be say your children fit come from school now, they fit ask you, daddy or mommy, abeg we get assignment for school, or how they call so thing for Isoko, how they call so thing for our language. Maybe you be Isoko person, you understand? Wetin you want answer your pikin, how you want give the answer pass. Now it make sometimes I dey bring these questions, take the learn. So if I be you, so most of these things when I dey bring, if I be you, I go copy them, I go save them for somewhere in case I come across them. Anyway, I dey write Isoko Busha anyway. Just as I always say, I'm still on it. I'm coming up gradually. Soon it will come out. My book not be small book, not be mine. When you go see, I go know say I ready for the work. For all these years, last year I did the thing, you go know say I ready. When you go come out, you go know say this girl really ready for this thing. So now the question here now is same. Now how to count money? How to count money for Isoko? Counting of money. Now it's one. Now there my question won't come from. Number one. See my question now they bring and they use Isoko. Now the Isoko I won't speak. Now I won't read. So you go give me the meaning for English. The English meaning now you go give me for comment section. If you don't know, I've still just talk say you don't know I'm. If you know I'm talk the one way you know, write the one way you know. If you not correct, I will correct you for comment section. I will tell you. I get them, I write them for you. Not be saying now you know pass, now you want to teach me. Not tell me that thing. So because some of us our math not too good. Sabi the commonize person, sabi the discourage person instead of to correct the person, or instead of to encourage the person, now to discourage the person. And so most of us did. So it is well. I don't even fucking care. So now those of you that are ready to go with me, are we ready now? Shall we go? How or wetin Isoko person they call Ibighikpe? Hayo Iselikpe. What when Isoko person to say, or when they call something, they call money, say the amount when it did there, or the amount when it did here now, Ibighikpe. Or so anytime you come across hayo means the person is trying to say or means ayo. Okay, so understand that word. Now Ibighikpe hayo Iselikpe. What does that mean? What did that mean? Number two here. Epaivẹ gbe Ibighikpe. What is Epaivẹ gbe Ibighikpe in Isoko dialect? Number 3, Epaisou. What is Epaisou? Now, number 4, Epaihreẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Epaihreẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Number 5, Epakpgbivẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Epakpgbivẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Number 6, Epakpgbisou. What is Epakpgbisou? Epakpgbisou. Understand the pronunciation, okay? I believe you can see the spellings there. All right. So number 7, Epaọgba hayo Ọgbopa. Epaọgba or Ọgbopa. What does that mean? Number 8, Ọgbopa gbe Epaisou. Ọgbopa gbe Epaisou. What did that thing mean? Or how much the person they try talk or they try call. Number 9, Epaudhuvẹ. Epaudhuvẹ. What is Epaudhuvẹ? Epaudhuvẹ. Number 10, Epaudhuvẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Epaudhuvẹ gbe Ibighikpe. What does that mean? How much is she or he talking about there? Number 11, Epaudhusou. Epaihreẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Number 11, Epaudhusou. Epaihreẹ gbe Ibighikpe. What did that one mean? Or Ubruoẹsisou gbe Epaihreẹ gbe Ibighikpe. Number 12, Epaudhuosa gbisou. Epaudhuosa gbisou. How much be that? Epaudhuosa gbisou. Number 13, Epaudhuosa gbikpe. Number 12, Epaudhuosa gbisou. Number 13, Epaudhuosa gbikpe. Now, 2 different things. Number 14, the last on my list here, Epaudhuosa gbe Epakpgbivẹ. Yes. Let's see in the comment section if you can still remember these things or not, or you don't know them before. Now, learn now. I will come back again anyway. I'll make a video again and give the correct answer of these questions I just asked. I will, definitely. I will come. I'll make the video again. Okay? So, but first, let's see how it goes. Let's see those of us who still remember these things, who can still give correct answer to all this, especially the lecturers, teachers, accountants. Oh yeah, now we'll see how not they teach on a student for school. Even we parents, we'll see how, in case if our children ask us, I will give them answer. Okay, thank you. God bless you. As you comment, like, and share. Isoko to the world.